welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. I think I messed that up. I'm trying to change up my intro because I say hey guys a lot and I don't want to be non-inclusive, so I'm apologizing if that offends you. I have filmed a couple of videos where I'm saying it like pre-filmed, so I'm trying to change it up and it's throwing me off because I'm so used to saying the same things. But hi, I'm Sabrina if you're new here. Please subscribe. Today I'm going to be doing a Lush unboxing, even though I've already unboxed this because I have zero patience. And if you're wondering why I'm acting a little weird, it's because this shirt does not fit me whatsoever. I got it off Shein and it was supposed to be like a baggy, slouchy shirt, and it's not big at all. I ordered it a size up, it's not big. I don't know when I'm gonna have my Shein haul up, but I talk about it in that video. Anyway, that's not why you're here. You're here to know my thoughts on my Lush stuff. So I saw that Lush was releasing stuff on Friday the 13th, and we just moved. I ran out a lot of the stuff that we have. This time I only picked up the Friday the 13th stuff, but I am gonna be placing a larger haul to pick up some things that we really love. So if you guys wanna see that whenever it comes in, let me know. But again, this is just the Friday the 13th Halloween stuff. So let's get into it. Can't speak. I didn't order the whole collection. I just got a couple of things from the collection. I think I spent like $48 on everything that I'm showing you today with shipping included. I really like Lush products a lot. Both Jacob and I use them pretty much every day in our shower routine. And like I said, we just went through them. So the first one that I got here is called the Monster Bomb. And this is a bath bomb. This is what it looks like. His little cyclone eye did have stuff all over it. It smells so good. I'm gonna be looking at my phone to go over the notes for these, but this one looks like it's an online only purchase. This bath bomb was $7.95, and the fresh ingredients that drew me in was lime. It says it's uplifting, protecting, and refreshing. I do smell the citrusy to it. I love citrus stuff, so this is definitely a huge win in my book. So the next one I got is a bubble bar, and it is this little guy right here. This is the Bewitched Bubble Bar. The fresh ingredients in this is bergamot oil. Oh, this smells so good. I've never used one of these before, but it says that you just crumble under warm water as you fill your tub and it will give fluffy, fragrant bubbles. This smells so good, and I just think it's so cute. Look how cute that little guy is. So definitely excited to try this. Like I said, I've never used this product before, so I'm excited to know what I think about it. You like it? You like it? You do. So the next one that I have here is Mercury Retrograde. This one looks like it's an online only exclusive as well. This is a bath bomb. Arthur's on my lap right now if you guys can't tell. The fresh ingredients in this one is lemon oil. I just dropped it. This is what it's like having a cat who is obsessed with you. He's literally climbing on you right now. Oh gosh, Arthur, please get down, bud. Okay, let's try this again. So my cat interrupted me, but this bath bomb is Mercury Retrograde. I keep saying that weird. It is a bath bomb. It has lemon oil in it, which I love citrusy things, like I said. This one doesn't smell citrusy to me. This one kind of smells like coffee to me for some reason. I'm not sure why it's smelling like that. You guys can see where my cat just ripped my shirt. It's from Shein. It wasn't that expensive, so. Yeah. I'm not sure how I feel about this one, to be honest with you. The more I smell it, the more it's kind of making me feel sick, but it's cute, and like I said, it did have the lemon oil, which is why I got it. Okay, so the next one that I got here is this Ghost in the Dark. It is, I believe, a soap. The fresh ingredients in this is organic cocoa butter. This smells really good. It smells like Fruit Loops. It has a very citrusy scent, but Fruit Loops, I think, is the best way to describe it, and he's just so cute, and it looks like he will glow in the dark. Again, this is an online only thing. I'm not sure if the majority of this collection is online only, but this is so cute, and I really like him, so I'm really excited about this. I love their bar soaps. I love their shower gels too, but their bar soaps, I have some in Baked Alaska. It's my favorite, and I'm really excited to give this a try too. This smells really nice. I didn't know it did this. How cool. Okay, so the last item that I have here is called Moon Spell, and this is another bath bomb, and I'm really excited about this. I don't know if I got my excitement on camera, but this actually breaks into two little pieces. How freaking cute. Okay, so this one was $7.95 as well, and the fresh ingredients in this is orange oil. Again, I love citrusy stuff, so I just think this is super cute. You can use it for 2 different bath bombs if you want. I'm super excited about this. The smell is super refreshing. It smells citrusy, but it has like a bubble gum kind of. Maybe I'm making that up. I'm about to sneeze. I just got so much stuff in my mouth. Whew. Super cute. I'm super excited about this one. And it's kind of like you get 2 bath bombs for the price of 1. So that's super exciting. Alright guys, so that was my haul from Lush for their Friday the 13th release. I was looking online to pull up some of this stuff, and it looks like there's a few more items that I didn't get that would do interest me. So if you guys have shopped Lush's Halloween collection, let me know your favorites in the comments below. Or if you've just tried any Lush products, leave them in the comments below. I love chatting with you guys. I apologize that Arthur's kind of being a wild one right now. He is very, he's still young and he loves to be the center of my attention, so I apologize about that. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't yet subscribed, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you again for watching. Bye.